Do you have a dawn redwood in your landscape? If you do, please take a picture of it and email it to us. We need pictures of dawn redwoods. We sell dawn redwoods at Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA. It's one of our favorite trees, and we like to promote this tree because it's so hardy. It's deer resistant. It can grow in wetter soils. It grows fast. It's sturdy. It's disease resistant. It's wonderful. It's been around since before the dinosaurs. Imagine how sturdy the dawn redwood tree is.
Dawn redwood. It is a very ancient plant. It's old. It was found in China, and it was smuggled out of there by botanists who hid the seeds in their shoes to get out through Chinese customs. And all the dawn redwoods we have in the United States are from those seeds that were smuggled out. It's a very nice deciduous conifer, which means it is a cone-bearing plant that loses its foliage. Most people that think that cones are like white pines and spruces, and those are evergreen plants, but the dawn redwood is a deciduous type plant. It's a very, very fast-growing plant. It likes the full sun, and the more sun you give it, the thicker and the fuller it shall be in the spring and summertime. It likes water. It does grow very fast, sometimes 4 or 5 feet in 1 year. Very fast-growing plants. They can take very bad soils too and survive very well. It's also a very elegant looking plant. When it gets older, it gets these ribs on the bark of the trunk of the tree, and the ribs come in and out and undulates back and forth. It's a really nice looking plant. It makes it look like it comes from the time of the dinosaurs, prehistoric looking. It has a leaf that's very unique. It's light green in color. The foliage is opposite to each other. That's one of the identifying features of it. And lastly, it's very apically dominant. That means it grows kind of like a pin oak with 1 or 2 trunks, usually 1 trunk, with branching coming out almost at 90-degree angles. And that 1 trunk makes it very sturdy, so if you have a lot of ice or snow load, it usually does not break apart. If you have any other questions, let me know, or if there's any other information you'd like to add, you let us know. Our number is either 215-651-8329.
The dawn redwood is a rare garden tree, found in very few landscapes. Help us bring this back from the verge of extinction to a common tree once again in North America. This is a dawn redwood fossil. The dawn redwood tree has been around since before the dinosaurs, and therefore it's called the dinosaur tree. And these are small dawn redwoods that we have growing in our office at Highland Hill Farm. But the story of the dawn redwood tree is interesting because it was discovered by a Chinese forester looking for a way to help save Chiang Kai-shek's army from the Japanese during World War II. And it was interestingly, the fossil was discovered by a Japanese paleontologist during World War II searching for minerals for the Japanese army in Japan. So this tree and the fossil has been around a long time. And of course I had to have both the tree and the fossil because I like interesting things such as this. And you would never guess where I found the dawn redwood fossil, the first one that I found. And you would never guess who helped me find it. And you'll never ever guess where it was. Visit Highland Hill Farm to find out the answer. And while here, see our artifact collection of dinosaur bones, fossilized wood, and Indian artifacts.